Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about unlocking education in South Cyprus, a comprehensive guide for international students. You can also grab a copy of my book on Amazon just for $3 Canadian. This book will guide you how I secure an MBA admission from Nigeria with 70% scholarship and how God helped me through the journey, how I secure a part-time job during the program and a contract job and a full-time job in South Cyprus. Let's go. Number one is the first step is researching the right university and the right program for you. You won't want to spend enough to go to any university or any program. However, admission typically begins around April to August every year. So what are the key tips? Make sure you understand the requirement for specific program. I was applying for MBA, but if you're applying for undergraduate or master program, the process is also similar. So example of the research is when I researched my MBA program, I made sure the university was accredited and number one ranking in South Cyprus, 500 ranking in the world. And I looked at the tuition fee to determine if they offer scholarship or financial. Luckily, by God's grace, I was offered 70% scholarship. So the next thing is this: understanding the requirement, understanding the admission requirement. For undergraduate, you typically just need your NECO, your WAEC, GCE certificate, and a proof of English proficiency. In my case, for my MBA, I had to get my BSc and transcript notarized. So document requirement for MBA. For an MBA or any postgraduate course, you will need to submit your bachelor degree, a motivational letter, a reference letter. I made sure my motivational letter focus on why I deserve this scholarship. And the proficiency in English. If your secondary school you have a good English in score in your O level, you can also back it up with a proficiency letter stating that you did all your undergraduate and your O level in English. However, if you don't have this, you can also use TOEFL and IELTS as a substitute. So, application process. The application process is just straightforward. In most cases, you will need to apply through the university website, which I did by uploading your scanned document. The good news, application fees are usually free for University of Cyprus. Don't let anyone lie to you. Most of them are typically free. Uploading document. Make sure you have all the documents scanned and ready to go. After applying, you may need to participate in an online interview, which I did. For my MBA, I was interviewed via Skype by 2 professors, which was a key part of the process. Next, document authentication. Number 1, why authentication is important. Once you have submitted your application and are waiting for a response, you need to authenticate your document. This ensures that they are valid and recognized by international body. 2, authentication process. This involves visiting the Ministry of Education. I visited Abuja. In my case, in your own country, you can go to your Ministry of Education, followed by Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I did my same day in Abuja in Lagos, Nigeria. You can also visit the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in your country. And finally, the South Cyprus Consulate, which was in Apapa Wharf, Lagos. So you can visit any consulate in your country. Number 3, key document to authenticate. For undergraduate or master's admission, you need to authenticate your certificate, transcript, and health record. In my case, I authenticate BSc certificate, transcript, and the health record also. So, receiving acceptance letter, you can see this is a sample of my admission letter. That was 2020. Glory be to God. Once accepted, you will receive an acceptance letter from the university. At this point, you will need to pay a deposit of €550 and a visa application fee of €80 as of that time. However, there might be an update, so you need to make research on your own, but this is the standard process that you will pass through. The next thing is visa application process. What are the requirements? When applying for study visa, make sure you have everything ready. What are the things? 2 passports, photo, certificate and transcript, medical certificate, notarized sponsorship letter, copy of passport and admission letter, police report, very important. Medical report, you will need to do a medical report and get a certificate. This needs to prove that you are free from diseases like HIV, hepatitis B and C, and tuberculosis. Very important. You need to get this and authenticate it also at consulate. Visa documentation. The university will send a visa application form for you. You can see the application form here. They call it M61B. Yeah, the university will send the form to you, and you will complete and send back with the authenticated document through DHL. I recommend using a trusted courier to avoid delay. The next thing is entry permit. Or after the university receive your authenticated document and the M61B form, within 3 weeks you will get a response that your entry permit or visa or blue card is have been approved. So the university will send it to you via email. Then you will now use this document for your traveling. You show them at the airport. Make sure you carry a color scanned copy of the permit during your travel. Cyprus Airport Authority will accept this version from you, and you can pick the original document upon arrival at the international office in your university. This is the standard process. However, remember to go along with 2,000 euro cash or 2,300 US dollars. Please, it's very important. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone interested in studying abroad. I have included links in the description with more details on the process, as well as a link to my personal guidebook available on Amazon. Stay tuned for my next video, where I will cover what to do upon arrival in South Cyprus. Thank you.